Hi guys, it's Carrie from Rockin Farm. It's fixing to come a storm up here. We're gonna come down to the 30s, and at some nights we're gonna get down to 7 degrees. So we're headed out to put some more hay out for the cows. So come along with us. For the cows?
No.
What's that for?
For deer.
Got some deer feed in the back. Of course, we did have some deer out on the other side of the house last night.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, you're doing the side. I'll show you the truck. Now, isn't that the coolest thing on earth? Of course, I think it is. Go feed the cows. What'd you say?
We'll grab a bag of pellets whenever we grab that second wheel. Some burrito cubes. We'll find some burrito cubes too, since it's getting so cold. They can go through this feed a lot harder whenever.
That ice made my...
That ain't from the ice.
Did you do that?
No. Colt brought out Q.
Oh.
And Q started chasing the new cat. The new cat hit that fence that mocked Jesus and took out the plastic off of that thing whenever it hit that fence trying to get away from Q.
Q is my son's half Rottweiler, half German Shepherd. He's really big.
That cat was getting some going on whenever it realized there was a dog after it.
Oh, here comes. There's my ladies. Buddy's right back there. Our big old bull cow. Bull. Bull. Hi, buddy. You gonna go get some hay? Buddy, you gonna go see a hay? Or are you just gonna stand there? I think Buddy's just gonna stand there and look at us. He just doesn't know about this truck. We usually do it with the tractor. Yes, Buddy, please don't come and get me, because Buddy's the one that knocked my father-in-law off his four-wheeler and busted the four-wheeler and my father-in-law's arm, which made us have to do an emergency run to the emergency room and have a surgery. It was great. He called me and goes, I think I need someone to take me to the hospital. I think I have a broken arm. And of course it was an open compound fracture, which means that his arm instead of going straight, was going whoop whoop. Like, yeah, just a little broken. So that was Mr. Buddy there, right there. He didn't want anybody chasing him anymore on the four-wheeler. He was done with that. And he's looking at me kind of like he is like he's done with me. So we'll let Mr. Buddy go for right now. There's his girls. I didn't mess with your girls. I'm coming. Okay, number 2. Gotta get 2 hell bays. 2 hell bays? What? Didn't you? Sorry. So sorry. 2 hell bays. 2 hells of hay. There we go. Our little machine there. That's really handy. Didn't realize that we were getting that on the truck. We bought the truck sight unseen and we're just having it shipped to the house. And they say, you do know it has a cannonball bed on it. We're like, okay. That's what it came with, so we were excited. Sure is helping out around the farm. It's so cold right now, we're having to buy a block to plug up the tractor, which is totally not the norm for us. So that's really odd. So that the tractor can stay warm and be able to start. So that should be coming in the mail anytime now. Unlike what it used to be, in the old times, you could just run to a store and grab what you need. Can't do that anymore with everything that's going on. You have to plan and order online because it's not gonna come from the store anymore. It's gonna be shit. So that's kind of putting us a little behind, waiting for that block to arrive in the mail. So we've got to use the truck to get the hay to the cows. So.
We have that ability.
What?
At least we have that ability.
Yeah, that's right. At least we have the ability to move the hay bales, because you can't move these without a truck like this or a tractor. How many pounds are they? About 1,000 to 1,200 pounds. So you can understand why we have to have this big equipment to help us move the hay bales from one place to the other. We originally had them, wait, let's see if I can find it, way back there in the barn. Way over there. But since we live here and not out by the end of the road, that's where his daddy lives on that side, we decided to have some out here by the house so that when we needed to go daily, we didn't have to make a trek all the way over there, get them, and then bring them back. So we put some here close to the house so we can do it real quickly when we have the time. It would take us quite a bit of time to go all the way almost to the road and back to get them, because that's where we used to store them. But whew, it's starting to drizzle a little bit, and it's like 35. No, not used to this. Especially, it's supposed to be 7 degrees, I think Wednesday night, and then on into next week. So we're just having to get ready, because this is not the norm for us. It's way, way cold. It's kind of like when we went to Chicago. It's nowhere near ready for that kind of coldness. There you go. And this one's a little wonky, a little sideways a little bit. There we go. I guess he's leaving me. Sometimes he does. It's okay. Let's try to catch up with him. Run! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Are you getting a bag of pellets? Okay, so he's getting a bag of pellets. While I'm doing that, I'll show you my big dog. Well, the 3 big dogs. They're very loud. very affectionate, but they all like to be out at the same time and they can't because they don't realize how big they are. Hi, babies. These are our babies. My babies. That's my babies. Well, can you see them? Hey. Hey, what are you doing? They like to wrestle too. They're silly. He's got the pellets, so we better go. I'm gonna hit a hole and we're gonna dive and we're gonna go diving into the mud. Okay, wait. Okay, so now we're going to take the second bale of hay to the cows. And they know when we get that sack that we're bringing the sack of pellets because there they are. They didn't want that at all. They're back in front of the truck. Say, give me my pack of pellets. There's Buddy. Buddy. Hey, Buddy. He ain't moving. He's like, this way. Bring my pellets this way. Yep. Come on through. Oh, I hope he doesn't kick the truck. Oh, there's my buddy. He's silly. They're coming, aren't they? Here they come. There they go. Coming to get the pellets. Y'all are silly. Y'all are also silly. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the second hay bale in the second hay ring. And then what we'll do after that, are you going to do the pellets first?
Yeah,
we're going to do the pellets first so that they'll kind of move out of the way. But I'm going to show you I think we've done this once before, like in the summertime. So we'll go ahead and show you again how they are very joyful when we bring them a bag of pellets. And I just stepped in cow poo. Yeah. A lot of cow poo on the ground. Cow poo. Yeah, buddy. There's my buddy. Well, I guess he's bringing it around. I don't know where he's at. Oh, he's getting the total miscommunication. He was getting the ring. Where'd he go? Ring. Oh, there he is. Ring. Ah. I was sitting over here thinking he was getting the pellets, but he was getting the ring. There he is.
I'll run you over if you don't watch it.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, you. I'm coming right where you're at.
Ah! Miscommunication. I told you, miscommunication. Dang. Sure. Total miscommunication. There's some right here. Behind you. Look this way for just 1 second and hold.
Huh?
Look this way in 1 second and hold. friends, is what you have to do when you have cattle in the wintertime. Thanks guys for joining us today, and make what you have beautiful.